How to share Spotify song on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Spotify. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your account. Now move into your library at the bottom right. Now move into any of the playlist. Once you're in this page, click on any of the specific song that you want to set as an Instagram story. Simply click on that song. Now click on this three dot icon at the top right. You can see the option of share at the very top. Click on it. You can choose different theme, first one or the second one. Choose according to your need. Once selected, tap on stories at the bottom of the screen. It will take this song to the Instagram story. Once done, if you're ready to post, all you gotta do is tap on your story at the bottom left corner, and then the story will be uploaded successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.